Hello viewers, welcome to CodeForAny. E-commerce Shift UI inside. Today need to see this here the setting page. Need to develop here. First of all, need to see this here UI inside the Figma files. Look like this UI. Need to developing here. Let's start how to create inside the Shift UI. First of all, need to go here the profile tabs and we need to create here the new file for template. Select here the Shift UI view and we need to give this here the name setting screen create like here. Now we need to create here the Z stack and we need to use this here the name hide use here and navigation bar need to hide here. Then after so need to copy here the my order screens app bars need to copy here with this tag bar copy and we need to paste here for this data set here the space and look like this set here and also copy here the environment variables present brackets inside the set here the band present modes and we need to set change this here the name settings like here settings and we need to create here the scroll view and let this tag otherwise we need to use this here the wish tag spacings with set here the text personal informations set here the max left and we need to set here the font as 18 semi bold and we need to set here the padding horizontal 20 look like this set here and we need to set here the bottom padding 25 maybe set here the 15s and show like this data again so we need to copy these ones and we need to paste these here and we need to set here the password and we need to convert into the horizontal stack and now put here the button sections these ones paste this here set here the change and foreground colors color dot placeholder like here so need to put it here the change passwords then after so need to another sections go with these ones and we need to paste these here and we need to set here the notifications notification sections now first of all we need to complete this here the notification sections need to done here so we need to creating here set here the stack sections and we need to swap remove these sections now set here the cells semi bold 16 like here max left and we need to set here the switch toggle cost value Set here the true, remove these ones, and show like this here for this UI. Maybe use this toggle directly here, paste this here, and now need to set here the news arrive, new arrive, delivery status, change. Like to set here, so we need to set this here the value as a false, like this put it here, and we need to create here the waste tag because here spacings are different, and here's set here the 25 space, maybe medium 14 is good, like this set, show like this here. For this status, like need to put it here. Now personal informations need to create here the another stack, need to we stack developing here, and we need to use any profile sign up, copy this one's text name, show full name, and also need to needs here the some state variables. Another state variables need to declare for is sales bool, set here true. Another state variables where is new arrive false. Another state variables is delivery change false. Even this value inside here with here the binding. If you use here binding, and we need to use dollar signs, otherwise not work here the binding variables not consultations. Likes we need to set it here and here manually change here state, working good. Now this one is the name to need to change here the titles as a first name, full name, like here's. Then after the another the date, here date, like here's, and we need to give this here the titles as a date of birth. Like here's. Increase here the spacings, that here the 20, and look like this here the showing for this data. Same is now need to making here the password. We need to creating here the passwords field. Go here this round definitions, and we need to copy this we stack this ones, and we need to paste this here placeholders, and set here the text as a password. Need to set here this passwords placeholders colors need to look like this show, and remove here, and we need to set here the text on others. Medium 14. Fonts need to use this here. Set here the primary text and set here the spacings. Set here the 8 and increase this years regular 14 font. And we need to create it like this here the UI or the done here. If you like this video, please give the thumbs up. If you're new user, so please subscribe my channels and press the notification bell icon. You can get every new video notifications and awesome content. If you have any question, so please write down inside the comment sections. I will help you and sort out your issue. Everyone have a nice day. Goodbye and take care. Like yours and set here the setting option is setting with this here the show settings. Set here the true and copy these ones. Paste this here. Now need to set here the setting screen and set here the show settings. Like so need to configure here and set it here.